Today in Sarajevo we organized a short workshop about the Quantum 5 project, about the NATO SPS project. We are focused on cybersecurity, working on the application of quantum cryptography in 5G networks. We are in the middle of project, so we presented the current results and we are looking forward in designing the new results and the new presentations. Currently we are focused on the usage of the simulator and also the simulating big networks of the 5G. That's our next goal. Currently, we are very thankful for our partners from VSB Technical University in Czech Republic that attended the workshop and presented our results.
So this project is supported by NATO within program SPS. The name is Quantum 5. It's focused on quantum key distribution in 5G networks. Participants are VSB Technical University of Ostrava and University of Sarajevo. We have long collaboration, successful. And now we are at the moment then we achieve the encryption in 5G network, but we are in half of our job. Yeah, so it was quite big success because I can say that we are the first in Czech Republic who achieved this encryption, and I know only several use cases in the world where such use case is applied. What we do is now the encryption in core 5G network, 5G campus network, which is located in Ostrava. We use the two QKD nodes. So between these QKD nodes we distribute keys, and then through REST API in JSON object we collect the keys from QKD nodes, and then we use these keys for encryption in our software encryptor which we developed.
We are very happy for the partnership within the NATO project that gave us the opportunity to participate with the Czech Republic, with the VSB Technical University. And we are very happy because of the knowledge, because of the experience that we can obtain within this project. It is very helpful also for us and for our students. We are looking forward to the next projects and collaborations within the NATO project and the NATO programs for the cybersecurity that will give us opportunity to collaborate more in the next advanced course.